guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot to us, guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by providing you free videos and teach you how to fix your car. So please guys, subscribe to the channel. We'll be working on a Ford Focus MK3 today. This one will be third generation from 2012 to 2018. And let me just tell you, we will have more than 200 videos on this car, so quite a few videos will be made. Please subscribe, we'll be constantly uploading them. Now, if you're trying to find the fuse, guys, on that Ford Focus for the sync, Microsoft Sync system, we'll show you how to do that now. Let me show you now. You have actually two fuses that we need to check, so make sure until you stay until the end. Okay, you can see the Microsoft Sync logo right here. And if the sync doesn't work, okay, we are going to show you what to do. Okay, you can see you have even the USB right there as well, so that might be affected to some degree too. So we have two fuses to check. Now we have our glove box removed, but you do not have to remove yours. Why we did that? So we can stick the camera and show in a better way where the fuses are located. So all we have to do, come on the bottom side. Okay, you can see that cover will need to go out. So you have two retainers here. Press. There is two places where you press in, pull out, and just pull that piece out. Now, the replacement fuses that we use, guys, are right here. You can check them in the description of the video below. Amazing deal on those, so please check them out. And what we need to check now is actually fuse number 67 is the first one. So if you come to right here now, this row, the second row from left to right, we'll need to check the third fuse. And you can see it says 67. Okay, you see the fuse number is in the upper right corner next to the fuse. In our case it's 7.5 amp fuse. So I'll grab it, pull it out. Okay, and replace it with another 7.5 amp fuse now. Okay, in our case it will be kind of like brown in color. Okay, this 7.5, and go ahead and install it. Now there is one more fuse that could be bad. Okay, let me just push that guy in. Perfect. It could be fuse number 88. So 88 will be this fuse right here, 25 fuse. This is a major fuse as well. So let me pull this one. I'll replace both of them just in case. Okay, that's a very inconvenient place for it. Okay. I'm actually hitting on the cover here, that's why I cannot pull it out. Perfect. So let me get a 25 amp fuse now. 25 will be the clear one in our case. Okay, this is a 25, and just install it. This is number 88. So this is for the Microsoft Sync, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos, guys. Install your cover here with the two retainers and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching, see you guys next time.